Hey, Dave McDermott here, McDermott Law Group, McDermott Mafia, McDermott Militia, all one of the same. Today's Need to Know what? Need to Know Law takes place in Barcelona, Spain, in front of this very well-known nightclub, Opium. I had a write-in, somebody said, what are Miranda warnings? What's the significance of Miranda warnings? When should you expect Miranda warnings? I'm going to break that down a little bit. Miranda is pursuant to a case, Arizona versus Miranda. It's a Supreme Court case. I'm pretty sure it was a 1966 decision, but I am very sure what it stands for. It stands for a couple of different things. First off, you have to understand that anything you say during an interrogation by the police can be used against you, can be brought into evidence during the course of a trial against you. So the significance of that is they're only going to allow these statements to be brought in if, in fact, pursuant to the Supreme Court's decision, if, in fact, they have advised you of your right against self-incrimination. So it's exactly what I just said. You have to be aware and have to understand that you have a right against self-incrimination. You do not have to talk to the police. And anything you say can and will be used against you during the course of the case against you. The second thing is you have a right to an attorney. Both before and during questioning, you have a right to an attorney. They have to make sure that you understand that as well. Not just that they've told you this, there has to be an understanding that the court has to believe that you understood these rights and that you waived these rights prior to speaking with the police. And usually, these questioning, the only time questioning is of any significance when you do in fact go ahead and give a statement is post-arrest. That means after you've been arrested. So people say, when have I actually been arrested? You know, does the officer have to say that you're under arrest? No, the officer does not specifically have to say that you're under arrest. I mean, generally that certainly is going to help draw a very fine line there. But the officer's not necessarily going to have to say you're under arrest. If a reasonable person under these circumstances believed that he or she was not free to go, usually there's an argument that he or she was in fact under arrest at the time that they were actually speaking with the police officer. That's it for Miranda warnings. That's it for Need to Know tonight. We're going to go in here and get our dance on. Until next time.